Hello, my name is Shaivi Shah, and my topic is energy efficiency exploration. So, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. It comes in different forms like heat, light, motion, electrical, chemical, nuclear energy, and gravitational. There are two kinds of energies, non-renewable and renewable energy. What is non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy is a type of energy that pollutes the earth and cannot be replaced quickly. Examples of non-renewable energies are oil, natural gas, and coal or fossil fuels, minerals, and metals. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy comes from natural sources or processes that are constantly replenished. Sunlight, wind, rain, and water are some examples of renewable energy. It is good energy and often referred as clean energy. So here's a chart of the average electricity usage at home. The average electricity usage at home was 974 kilowatts per month. If you count 12 cents per kilowatt, then the average electricity bill per month would be $117. Renewable energy usage around the world chart. This is a pie chart of renewable energy usage around the world. As you can see, biomass energy is used the most with 48% and solar energy is used the least with 1%. Why solar energy for me? I've learned that we all depend on solar energy one or another way. Learning about the sun fascinates me a lot, and solar energy has lots of potential. Why is solar energy important? Solar energy is pure and clean energy. Most importantly, it is renewable energy and available with the latest technology. It could have the capacity to supply a much more significant proportion of our energy requirements. The future of solar energy. In the future, solar energy will be cheaper and more efficient. Solar energy will be the most important and useful source as it is renewable. This will give a big impact on the environment, so I decided to do a project on solar energy. Guiding questions. These are the guiding questions which helped me in my project. Solar oven hypothesis. My hypothesis is that my homemade solar oven will use solar energy and then convert the thermal energy to heat and bake the food. It can help reduce energy that is used by the in-house oven. Materials used for the solar oven. I used a cardboard box, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and duct tape to make homemade solar oven. I used a black pan to put food inside the oven. The food I used to cook were s'mores, cookies, potato wedges, and potatoes. Solar oven procedure. First, I took an empty box. Then, I covered the flaps, walls, and the bottom of the box with aluminum foil. On the right side of the box, I added an extra flap in aluminum foil so that the energy can reflect and absorb the heat. After that, I placed the uncooked food into the black pan and covered the pan with plastic wrap and then put them into the box. Lastly, I covered the box with plastic wrap. Then I put the solar oven outside carefully under the sun. Periodically, I observed and recorded the results. You can see the picture of the oven in this slide. Project pictures. Here are a few pictures of the homemade solar oven and the rest of the procedure. First picture is of the homemade solar oven. Second picture shows the food put in the solar oven under the sun. The third picture shows that the food is under cooking in the solar oven. And finally, the fourth picture shows the cooked food in the homemade solar oven. Results. I kept the solar oven under the sun for almost 5 hours. After an hour, the s'mores were already cooked and the potato and potato wedges started changing color. After the end of 4 hours, the s'mores and potato wedges and potato were cooked. While the cookies were partially cooked, I decided to keep it outside for 1 more hour. After 5 hours, the cookies were cooked on the top, partially cooked on the bottom. Solar oven data table. This is a solar oven data table. Answers to guiding questions. These are the answers to my guiding questions. Was my hypothesis correct or not? My hypothesis was correct. My solar oven used solar energy, and then it converted to thermal energy and cooked the food. The flow reflected the sunlight, which helped the food to receive more sun, thermal energy. Outside, the temperature was around 70 degrees Fahrenheit and a bit cloudy. In a full sunny hot day, the solar oven would work much better and it would cook food quickly. Other solar projects. I tried making a solar lamp and it worked out. For the solar lamp, I used a mason jar, some pebbles for decorations, and a solar stake light. To make the solar lamp, I took the mason jar and removed the middle disc from the lid, and removed the solar light from the stake and pushed it through the open portion of the lid. And then put the pebbles into the jar and screwed the lid back on. These are the references I used for my project. Thank you.